This was supposed to be, done last week, but unfortunately due to rain, we had to postpone it for a week. So we'll still be trying to do our Valentine's Day special, though it does not really feel Valentine-y at this point of time. But
It's like a bad boyfriend who forgot the Valentine.
Today we'd like to call it Valentine's Day hangover. So let's just think about what went wrong on Valentine's Day and let's try to laugh at it. That's it. So before we start, we'll be doing आप लोग बैठ सकते हैं. There are some daily trojans you can use to sit on them or read them. To start off, we'll try a little warm-up exercise, which is just simple clapping. So you will clap on a scale of 10, which will be, for 1 it is barely audible, and as I increase the number, you just increase the intensity, and by the time you reach 10, it is like the world is going out of the place. So we'll start off with you just clap with me, and we'll at the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Too many musicians on stage. Nevertheless, this is our team. We will be performing today with all of us at some point of time on the stage. But to start off, we'll be playing a game called First Line, Last Line, and this game will be directed by our new director, Krishnan Kali.
Okay, so we have an empty stage now. So let me first introduce the game for the people who are new to this show, to our show. And do we have anybody who's watching it for the first time? Awesome. 2, good. So the game of First Line, Last Line for you guys especially is that we'll take a first sentence, something anybody can say in a situation from you guys, and another. So 2 sentences, and the first sentence has to be the first line of the scene, and the last sentence will have to be the last line of the scene. We'll have 3 musicians on stage, and they'll have to act out a scene with those 2 lines starting in the end. Okay. So let's first have 3 musicians on stage. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have 3. For the first line. Say you're flying a plane and it's about to crash. You have to make an announcement for the people inside the plane. What would you say?
Mayday, mayday.
Mayday, mayday. Anything else? Come on, we need your suggestions otherwise.
Please be calm.
Please be calm. Anything else?
Going down.
We're going down. That's nice. Okay. First line is we are going down. Okay. For the last line, you forgot to do your assignment, and you have to say something to the professor who is asking for you right there. What would you come up with?
I was sick.
And
It was Valentine's Day.
it was Valentine's Day. That's right. It was Valentine's Day is your last line. And for one suggestion, just to help them, for a scene maybe, what would you, something you would find in a zoo?
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus would be a suggestion. So what's your first line, Vidisha?
We are going down.
And the last line?
It's Valentine's.
It's Valentine's Day.
And what's the suggestion?
Hippopotamus.
So Vidisha, are you ready?
Yes!
Let's start the popular round of applause.
Oh, we are going down, darling. I had this amazing idea of going on a date on this hot air balloon, but no! You had to bring your stupid hippopotamus with you.
How dare you insult my poor little hip?
There's no time for that. All of 3 of us will meet in heaven for sure. In just a short while from now.
So, let me do a speedy calculation about exactly how much time it will take for us to go down using my basic principles of physics.
Oh, if the question is so long, answer will take forever. There is no point doing that. Just take your God's name and just close your eyes and...
I'm feeling this extraordinary palpitation because of the acceleration.
Yeah, that happens when people die. Yeah, I understand.
So you've experienced it before, is it?
Well, near death, so I had almost palpitated.
Is it? So can we have a quick crash course on how to die? Please, you have to help me through this.
I won't. You know, the important thing to not die is to throw this hippopotamus out of this hot air balloon. I don't care if it's given by your grandfather.
How dare you insult my grandfather?
I did not insult your grandfather. I just insulted his wisdom. What kind of stupid man gives a hippopotamus to a girl? Ridiculous. Hey, Eagle Man. You know, we are dying, as you can see. Please take this girl or the hippopotamus with you. I don't want to die with either of them.
Excuse me? You are trying to trade me in to that eagle man?
You know, I don't care